Hey everyone! Welcome back to Forex Trading Journals, your most trusted source for Forex prop firm and broker reviews with exciting coupons. Today we'll reveal the maximum discount coupon for instant funding. So without further ado, let's get started. First, head over to the Instant Funding website, or just click Go to the deal from the card above. But hold up, don't forget to copy the Instant Funding coupon code from the card before you take any step. Once you're on the site, take a moment to check out all the funding programs. Seriously, review all the details and pick the one that fits your needs best. Found it? Great! Now click on Start Now to move forward. Next up, it's time to review your selections. Make sure everything's correct, like your account type, account balance, whether you want a commission-free or raw spreads account, and your platform. Maybe some add-ons? Go ahead and pick things like a 10% profit split increase or the ability to hold positions over the weekend with major news trading. Now let's fill in those billing details. Make sure all the necessary fields are complete. Got that done? Awesome! Now look for the coupon field titled Have a Discount Code. Paste the coupon code you copied earlier and hit the Verify button. Check the revised price to make sure your coupon's applied successfully. And finally, click Create Order to complete your payment. Boom! You're all set! Unlock your funding with Instant Funding and get started today. If you found the video useful, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for instant notification. Thanks for watching and happy trading!
Forex Trading Journals, the #1 Forex review platform.